Hi guys, so we continue with fragmenting a chapter and learning. So this is a continuation of movement in animals. So here we can again put a tree kind of structure for human skeletal system, muscular system. So we need to learn about muscles and what are its types and which part of our body function that way, and same way about the joints, which part is involved in what type of joint. So we can relate and read. While reading, we can just touch and feel, okay, this is where it's, and now you can surf and see the 3D images also, how it is internally, how the internal organs are. So how, where are these joints? Everything is very easy because we have a huge digital platform to play around and understand if you are stuck with any of the concept. So what are the different types of joints, and within those joints, what are the subcategories, and which part of our body have a similar setup? So that will make us learn it in an easy way, and also we will not forget it if we learn that way. Then the bones, the skeletal system. So in skeletal system, how the bones, how many bones are there? So it is highly divided into four categories, like skull, backbone, limbs, and rib cage. Within skull, upper part of skull, how many bones? Lower part of jaw and all, how many bones? And what are their functions? We can write up till 3 to 4 functions by just relating skull. So what is inside the skull? So it protects definitely the brain, and eye socket protects the eye. So this way you can just sort out points for the function of skull. Same way, how many backbones are there, and what is the actual function of backbone, we can list it out. And the same way for the limbs, when it comes for limbs, again, how many bones for limbs, and hind limbs. And once we start and also the functions of limbs, once we start deep diving into each concept, we will get to know the important concepts also, like the 12th pair in rib cage is not connected to the sternum, so what is that called? So this way the preparation covers even the objectives and possible questions. Then so you can just do any way. It's not like a tree structure. Whichever method you find it easy, if you want to put a tabular, that is easy for you, then well, good, you can go with that model, and you can prepare that way. Ultimately, you should understand the concept, very clear with the concept before going to the next part. Why? Because so that when you're revisiting it or revising it for the exam, you no need to start from scratch. You're clear with the concept. So just only the terms, some terms we may forget, so we can just recollect those. And at high level, you see this kind of tree structure before exam, we'll get to recollect the full concept. You can write then detailing it. And also one more good thing is, you can draw wherever possible related that way, and you can practice your preparation. For example, in maybe in my next video, I'll show you plants, parts, how you can draw and relate, or the magnets, or any other light concept. Once you draw related, you will not forget it. Like visual cues will help you to remember it for a long term. Hope this is useful. If you find this useful, definitely share with your friends who find it studying is a big burden. Thank you.